You can see behind me the sidewalks outside the PATH train station are clean, and that's because they want to make sure those commuters tomorrow morning get to their destination on time. But tonight, we spoke to locals who wasted no time digging out snow. Several inches of snow covered Hoboken streets on Monday evening. We found Daniel Rivera digging out snow at a building on Washington Street. He says many elderly people live there, and he decided to help out.
Try to make a path because I normally be in and out, so to get groceries inside the building or anything like that, so it makes a difference.
Ibelis Robinson and her 14-year-old son had been digging her car out for an hour.
I think it's a little bit easier now versus tomorrow, where it might get a little bit, more heavier, icy.
For 2 hours, Eric DeLeo shoveled the sidewalk and driveways where he lives. And to dig out his car, he used an electric shovel as he was preparing for Tuesday's commute.
I'm hoping to take mass transit if the PATH is running.
The PATH is running.
All right, there we go. I'll be taking the PATH tomorrow.
At Hoboken PATH train station on Monday afternoon, we caught up with some riders who, ahead of the storm, had to find other means of transportation to get to the city.
My boss paid for Uber.
Wow, and then now coming back,
Now coming back, I take the train because it was, getting better, the weather.
How was the service?
It's good. It's really good, yeah.
But not everyone was happy about mass transit in New Jersey being shut down for the day.
It's, ridiculous that this happens every time they get a few inches of snow. This is the Northeast. They should expect cold and bad weather. They should be prepared for it.
We now know NJ Transit will be operating on a President's Day scheduled tomorrow morning, and the PATH will be up and running tomorrow morning as well as the rest of the day. And one thing to take in consideration as you're walking to the train station is ice and slush on the streets and on the ground that may freeze overnight. So be very careful as you're trying to get to your destination. Reporting live in Hoboken, New Jersey, Grace Gomez, Pix 11 News.